Hey glow girls, welcome back to my channel. Is your skin looking dull, tired or dehydrated lately? Then today's recipe is definitely for you. For this DIY, we'll be using cucumber, carrot and a green tomato. These three simple ingredients packed with a natural goodness. Get us started. First, I'm placing all three vegetables into a large bowl and pouring some baking soda over them. Then pouring in some water and giving everything a gentle scrub. This helps clean their vegetables thoroughly before we use them in our recipe. Well, which country are you watching from today? I'd love to know where my glow girls are joining from. Take your time and make sure every vegetable is cleaned properly. Once they're nice and clean, we'll wash them and move to the next step. Green tomatoes contain antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that are often used in natural skincare routines, while carrots contain beneficial nutrients and antioxidants too that help support healthy-looking skin over time. It helps the skin look fresh, healthy, and revitalized over time. Cucumber is loved in skincare because it feels so refreshing and hydrating on the skin. These vegetables help the skin look brighter and more refreshed over time. If you're enjoying these simple DIY beauty recipes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more natural ideas. Now that our vegetables are nice and clean, we'll start with cutting the carrot first. I'm taking a fresh, healthy carrot and peeling it carefully. Carrots are packed with the beneficial nutrients and antioxidants that are often associated with healthy-looking, radiant skin. They are one of my favorite ingredients to include in natural beauty recipes because they are simple, affordable, and so versatile. Once the carrot is peeled, I'm going to shred it finely. Shredding helps release more of the carrot's natural goodness and makes it easier to use in our DIY recipes. Keep grating until you have a nice pile of finely shredded carrot. Now that the carrot is finely shredded, I'm transferring it into a clean bowl. Look at that beautiful color. The texture is perfect for our DIY. And now we're back to our beautiful cucumber. I'm going to shred the cucumber just like we did with the carrot. Cucumber is known for its refreshing and hydrating properties, which is why it is such a popular ingredient in natural skincare. As you grate it, you will notice how fresh and juicy it looks. Once the cucumber is fully shredded, we'll add it to the bowl and continue with our next ingredient. Now it's time for our green tomato. I'm going to shred the tomato just like we did with the other ingredients. Green tomatoes contain antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that are often used in natural beauty routines. As you grate it, you'll notice its fresh texture blending beautifully with the rest of our ingredients. Once it's done, I'm adding it into the same bowl with the carrot and cucumber. Look at how colorful and vibrant it is together. Now, I'm taking a fresh apple and peeling it carefully. Apples contain beneficial antioxidants and are often used in natural beauty recipes because they help the skin look fresh and healthy. They are also packed with natural goodness, making them a wonderful addition to this DIY. Once the apple is perfectly peeled, I'm going to shred it just like we did with the carrot, cucumber, and tomato. The apple adds even more freshness to this recipe and helps create a lovely natural mixture. Now, I'm transferring the shredded apple into the bowl with the shredded cucumber, shredded carrot, and shredded tomato. Just look at how colorful and fresh everything looks together. Honestly, glow girls, this mixture already looks so nourishing. Now it's time to prepare another nourishing part of our DIY. First, I'm taking a bowl of almonds. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, beneficial nutrients that are often associated with soft, healthy-looking skin. Now I'm adding 1 spoonful of almonds into the grinder. Next, I'm taking some fennel seeds. Fennel seeds contain antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that make them a favorite ingredient in many ancient wellness and beauty recipes. Adding 1.5 spoon of fennel seeds into the grinder. And for now, the final ingredient will be white peppercorns. I'm adding almost 12 peppercorns into the grinder. White pepper has been anciently used in various homemade recipes. Now I'm closing the grinder securely. Girls, don't forget to drink plenty of water, okay? And grinding everything until it turns into a fine powder. The almond, fennel seeds, and white pepper combine into a beautiful aromatic blend. Make sure to like the video. Once the powder is ready, we'll move on to the next step and combine it with our fresh ingredient. What's your favorite vegetable? Comment below. I'm adding it into the same bowl with the shredded items. Next, I'm adding a little salt. You can adjust the amount according to your own taste and preference. I'm also adding a little olive oil. Olive oil contains healthy fats and add a smooth, rich texture to the mixture. You can add as much or as little as you prefer. Now mixing everything really well so all ingredients are evenly combined. Make sure the powder, vegetable, and olive oil are distributed throughout the mixture for the best texture. Make sure to tell me in the comments which ingredient in today's recipe surprised you the most: cucumber, carrot, apple, almonds, or fennel seeds. Now I'm gently transferring everything into the bowl and making sure it's nicely arranged. And a quick reminder, Glow Girls, no DIY can replace good daily habits, so make sure you're drinking enough water, eating nourishing food, getting enough sleep, and taking good care of yourself today. Healthy-looking skin starts from within, and those small daily habits can make a big difference over time. Honestly, serving it in a glass bowl will make it look even more appetizing. We have a crunchy vegetable, apple, almond, fennel seeds, and white pepper all coming together in a one nutritious bowl. And just like that, our healthy homemade salad is ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Take care of yourself.